Now we are going to the next part. This is word problems. So what is the word problems? Mainly in word problems, four things are given: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So you have to use these four rules one by one. So firstly, in word problems we have to read the problem first. You have to read, you have to learn and then calculate. So you have to read, you have to learn and then you have to calculate. So this is the main process for doing the word problems. Now we are going to the next chapter, next part of the chapter 1, exercise 1C. Let's start. In number 1 problem, see that a survey shows that the population of Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Tripura are given. So 3 states populations are given. We have to find the total population of these states. So now we have to add it. Total means we have to add it. So write this in order and using this ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. After using this, we are adding this one. So this is the total population of 3 states. So in one problem, one thing also to remember, always you have to write the answer. So answer is compulsory in the word problem. So you have to write in that format and you have to add it. Okay? So next problem. So now see that in number 3, total stock of the godown of FCI is given 85 lakhs 90,865 quintals. Out of the stock, this stock is given to Punjab. This stock is given to Punjab and this stock is given to Delhi. So total stocks given to Punjab and Delhi, this is 41, that means 41 lakh 7,550. So this is delivered, this is already delivered. Now in your hand, that means remaining part. For the remaining part you have to subtract. So send it this one. So subtract from the total. We get this total as the remaining in the FCI. So remaining part in FCI. FCI means Food Corporation of India. Okay. FCI means Food Corporation of India. Now note it down. So in number 4, a number exceeds this 47,56,908 exceeds by 16,34,096. Now find the number. So exceeds means you have to add. So add these two numbers. You can use also ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now add it. This is 4. Now 0, 0, 1, 9, 3 and 6. So this is the number. Okay. Note it down. So in number 6, see that by how much is this number is larger than this number. So when anything given larger than or smaller than, then you have to subtract it. So now see that after subtraction, this is 8, 8, 5, 8, 1, 7, 6, 5. So this is the number. If we add these two numbers and we get this number, that means this is larger than this number. This is the answer. Okay. Now we are going to the next one. Now in number 8, see that what must be added to this to get this. When this type of sums are given, that means bigger number minus smaller number. Which is the bigger number here? Start with 6, 63 lakhs. So 63 lakhs, write it. 63 lakhs, okay. You can write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And the number given is 4697. You can write from the left also. 859. 859. Next, this is 97. And this is 46. So you have to subtract it and we get the answer. So now start 1. This is 4. 1, 2, 0, 6, 1. So 16 lakh 2141 is the answer. So this number is greater than this number, this much. Okay, write the answers for each and every sums. Okay, now write it. So in number 9, see that the sum of two numbers is given. One number is given, you have to find the another. That means one number you have to find. You subtract, we get the answer. So the sum of two numbers is given 6010, 6010, 203. This is the sum of the numbers. We can use here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. And similarly, one number is 48 lakh 21,325. Now subtract it. So after subtraction, see that this is 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, 1, 1. Okay, so 11,88,878 is the answer. Write it. So number 10 sum is a very important sum in this chapter. A man had this rupees. If you write ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 1 crore 35 lakhs rupees in the man's hand. So now he give to wife 56 lakh 32,560 rupees and his son 37 lakh 84,890 rupees. Now total amount given to wife and son is 94 lakh 17,450. So total expense is this money. Okay. So rest of the amount is given to the daughter. So daughter amount says if we subtract this we get the daughter amounts. So subtract it, we get 40 lakh 82,550. So this is the daughter amount. So this is the daughter's amount given by the man. Okay, so this is the amount given by the man to the daughter. So that's all for today. The rest of the sums are homework. You have to complete your homework and send it to me. Thank you.